Today's video is a tutorial and demo of Notion layouts, how you can apply it to your own databases to organize the form views better. I'm going to use my event company client who start to have a lot of different properties on an event page, and they want to make sure that they can keep track of the information and it's displayed in a better way. So I think it's the perfect example to try Notion layout and teach you how you can also benefit from this really great new feature. All right, here you see the documentation of Notion layouts. I'm going to check it out at the same time. Here we have a few properties, and all of these checkbox and things that appear here are helping them to organize an event. It seems that the first button that we see here is Customized Layouts. So I'm just going to click on it and we see what are the options here. So that's what I'm used to, is to see Notion very intuitive and easy to use. Here they show us that there is a heading, a property group, and some side panel. Now I'm just going to try the heading and make sure that we can find, okay, so we can pin properties. Okay, so let's imagine what properties they need the most. So an event for me needs to have a date. That's the main property that is necessary. We want a venue and a guest speaker, and then the type. All right. So here we will see it like that. If I, okay, it goes vertical. Okay, cool. So it's fully responsive. Apply to all pages. What are the other options? Reset. Okay, so I apply. Cool. So now we have our heading here, and quickly we can see the information that I need. Now we see that the other properties are still displayed like that. So let me try to create a group here, add a section. Very nice. So before event, this is what I want, because I want to make sure that we have a before, during, after. Maybe I will figure out that it's not needed. Archived is after. Cancelled is going to be after. I'm going to put it in the after section. Recap, after. Guests and members, during. Okay, so I think before, during, and after is not nice. So let me just rename this. Voila. And this one is going to be, no. So if I put generic info, here we go. It's better. And then we have the guest and the members, and I can delete this group. Okay. So pre-organization, I want it before generic information. It would look like this. I can see in real time. It's like a website builder. So it's very nice. Apply to all page. All right. That's very, very cool. What else we can do? So it says we can choose the display of comments, because what happens in Notion is when you put a comment, so I'm just going to testing comment. Okay. Then it creates a side panel like this. So I don't want that because it's breaking my views. So let me just see if we can, where is it? Voila, inline comment. So we can put minimal and page discussions expanded. Okay, show property icons. So we can decide not to. I like to keep them like that. And I will apply to all pages. So now my comment here is on the side. I see there is a comment. It's enough. I don't need to see it. And then it's like this. Okay, so that's good. That's one thing that I like. And then now let me try to look at the tasks. All right, so this is a task. It was supposed to be doing the finalization of a venue that is for a canceled event. But let me try to customize this layout as well. Let me do the same process. So I will pin what is the most important. So now they have this on the top like this. Created time, all of that is mostly rescue things. So I'm going to add to the panel the last edited. I'm going to add the created time, and I'm going to add Let's see. Just gonna keep the comments inline, expand it, that's good. Like that, okay. So here, if I do this, I see the information that I need. I also see the event it's related to. That's cool. Created by. I will also put it on the side as well. Let me just add here. Boom. Created by. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so we can see here last edited, created time, created by. Okay. All right. I hope you liked it and you are not sleeping like my cat on the background is right now. Enjoy using layouts and customizing the views of your form views in Notion. And if you have questions about this video, just reach out to me in the comments. And you can also watch other videos related to task management and productivity tools in my channel. And I'll see you on another video, hopefully. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.